Alright, hey, we're out here. It's the 25th of
June
2012. And we're out here at Rob's house. There's Rob.
We were just smoking.
Roberto.
We were just smoking and drinking.
Yeah.
Having a good time.
And
we heard this rustling. And this bird.
I watched it happen. No, I watched it.
You watched it happen?
Yes, I watched it happen.
This bird flutters around. He thought it was a bat.
I did. I thought it was a bat, but I watched it hit the wall.
And
he
just hops up on this ledge here. And show him.
We're talking normal, and it's like
hops up this ledge
5 feet from us right now.
And now he's just chilling, asleep, totally asleep, totally content.
I'm not zooming this at all. Okay.
Just get up close to him, man. He'll let you. He's asleep. He's just chilling.
What the fuck?
It's so awesome. It's awesome.
What the fuck? I mean, oh, he's moving a little bit.
I've seen this before. Like we went down to a party a couple weeks ago.
All right, peace.
We went down to